Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Live. Today in this video, I'll be talking about world's one of the most popular CAD software called AutoCAD. Actually, I got a lot of comments from my viewers. They're requesting me to start the AutoCAD tutorials. So that's the reason I'm going to start the AutoCAD. So first we will know that what is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design program used by just about every engineers and the design office in the world. Although there are so many alternative CAD packages, but AutoCAD is the world's one of the most popular CAD applications. Already I have explained the type of CAD software available in the market. So if you are interested to study those videos, you can go to the description box. The link is given in the description box. Autodesk AutoCAD is the industry leader in the CAD packages. It is used by the mechanical engineers, civil engineers, architecture, electrical engineers, aeronautical engineers, and many other disciplines. Initially, this CAD program was released in the year of 1979 as Interact CAD, and it's developed and marketed by the company called Autodesk. And Autodesk released the AutoCAD for the first time in the year of 1982 December. Initially it was released for the mechanical only, but later it has released for all other streams also. After its release, within 2 to 3 years, it's become world's one of the most popular CAD software. And you know that the rest is history. Still we are using the AutoCAD and it's one of the most popular CAD software. And this is the syllabus that I'm going to offer you in this tutorial series. I'll be starting from the basic level. If you study all these things, you will become a complete AutoCAD professionals. So guys, let's get ready to boost your skill in design and drafting skill. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.